Hi guys, I'm here and today we are playing what makes your vote so or whatever it's called. And we are paddling on one of my best boats so far. Hopefully I can find someone else's who can't kill me, and there's a glitch going on and I don't know what it is, but like it's letting people kill people but not me, like, if you understand. I'm like, I don't want, oh no, my boat's getting broken. Oh, that idiot, oh my god, no, I'm so not happy, guys. Oh my god, you're so mean. It's my second boat, or the first, whatever you want to call it, man. God. Yeah, this is quite a long video. I'm not sure. I think it's 11 minutes because I've not timed myself. Yeah, I need to time myself. So I know exactly what time it is, so I can tell you guys how long the video will actually be. But like, over YouTube is like, it's so hard to record with the mic like mine. I don't know what I'm doing here though, because I've tried it once, just man, and I don't know if you can actually climb the tree, so we go again. Oh my. Ooh, the person, oh, she looks like she's got a gun out, but you know, it could be easier than usual. So. Yeah, I'm back, man. Guys, I'm back in the house, man. So, sorry if you can hear people, they're just downstairs and like, I'm only in my room. If you guys have any suggestions to tell me what I should play next, just leave it in the comments and I'll always like do what you guys say. The most voted out of more murder mystery, or I can do like, it's your choice guys, I'm not even serious, it's just that I love you guys and I'm doing it because you guys are absolutely smashing. And can we see if we can get two likes? Yeah, we can either smash it or not, because just be happy for my new baby brother being born, you know, smash it. Yeah, just smash it. So cool, I've not seen that before. Unless I'm blind. The money bit and the XP. I've seen the back, but not like the XP bit. Like the blue bit, like the numbers. I'm just gonna lie down. Right. It's a bit mad. Well, it was, but what just happened? My boat just broke. That is so strange. I can fix it, but it's going to be a lot of my money. Well, a lot, because I only have 225. Well, I'm not sure yet, but like, yo! Oh my god, there's some good. There's some badass boats. Whoa, see, not one in far distance. Ha! Oh my, it's about to rain. You better hurry up, Max, or you die from the flood. I don't even know how the rain makes it like fill up, because I've only played this once even. I've only played this one season and like, just but it yeah. Hopefully this is going well for me. I really hope so. If it's not, I'll do it and do it again. But if you guys like it, I'll keep it. Just that thing at the bottom which is annoying, innit? I know what happens because I've just played it and now like I recorded about a minute ago, stopped recording a minute ago, put it into iSpring Free Cam 8. Yeah, when I've done that, I put it in the squares and then I put the video on the square and then I done something I forgot because my dad done it, because I'm not very good with like electricity, but my dad's so good at it, so I'm just re-watching it and talking through the mic, if you know what I mean, guys. So it should almost be done. Yeah. What's that? I don't know. Right. Oh no, I think I died. I'm not sure. Oh, don't die. Oh my god. I died! I find a crate near the end, I think. I'm not sure. I think I get an AK. Or P90. I'm not sure if you can get P90s. It's only AKs. As you can see, I've just got a pistol and sword. I don't know if they're good because it's not letting me kill this dude. It's so weird. And I just disappeared. And he's like, what? That's so bad. Oh, well, it's not good. It looks like a pirate ship then. Like, up on board. No. Yeah, it's 10 minutes of it. Or 9. Because it just kicked me out. Like, just that very second. So, hope it is going okay. So far, anyway. I hope you can't hear me moves. Oh my god, baby bro's so annoying. It's always a growler, and that's why we like to call him Jack Russell, but he's actually called Jack John. Oh my god. I wish I could save this boat. It's so freaking cool. I mean freaking so cool, innit, guys? Hopefully you can finish it today because it's so absolutely sick. I'm doing it on my bed, so sorry if you hear. It's just my bed. Yeah. Say hello to my pug. Hello, I'm Maxie's little pug, and I love to bark. Bark, bark. Pig pug. I love to be fat. Yeah, he's just crazy pig pug pillow. If I can speak. Right, I said wait. Really want him to see, but I don't think he will. I doubt it. Oh, my friend's on. Oh, hey friend. My friend Bobby Star, the green one. And the second one, I mean the third one down there. Hi! I don't think they can hear me. hopefully it's fine. I'm just gonna turn the echo down. Is it alright with you guys? If it was fine, I'll keep it there. I'm just gonna keep it there. Hi. Is that better, guys? Or a bit lower? I'm gonna say a bit lower. Is that better? Yeah, it should be. Right. Hopefully I don't sound like an idiot. Oh well, you guys can't hear it. It's them downstairs. I'm back in a minute. Let me just shut my door. I'm back, guys. Right. Hopefully you was enjoying that little wrestling. You know my voice, my ugly voice. Please can we get so many views for my first ever video recording with my mom? I hope you guys are so happy. It took me so long to my friend's meant to be a boy but he's a girl. Oh my god. Oh, he has a lot of roblox in. He has probably like 1 million. He's so good. No! I can't kill him. It's so mad. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Fix the blankets!
Oh my god, get out! My big brother! I'm dead. Oh no! Yes, I survived! I survived! Ow. Stop, jump. Oh god, Hey. Stub my toe. Hi, painful guys. If you've ever done it, say yes in the comments, man. Oh, my life. What the hell? Straight. One sec, guys. That was strange, but I got a box on an AK. I'm sorry if you didn't see half of it. It's because my dad is a little, well, not a little. He didn't put it right out here. Well, I didn't get the box, so at least you didn't see the good part. I mean the bad part. You just got the good part, okay, guys? One sec. Let me just shut my audio out. Audio. Oh no, it's fine. Are you guys enjoying it so far? If you are. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Oh no, I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. Oh, shite. Bye, guys. See you in a while.